Hello, indam mo ka video te melo sakzel like te comment te subscribe te melo bek sakzel wang kalom lutuk oh. Hey voin chu Sunday ania tuna coffee lei turin kan vakalanga chuan kan biakin hi in mu thengi mo khi ta khi nia mo kan Inkhawm na tur heta helaya khian nia kita khian heta khian ka chen nu oh coffee kan valei photanga chuan kan Inkhawm nga kan Inkhawm lai kha chu ka vlog lawang mo chuan Inkhawm ba na cave kan tibi cave khan kan vakala mo cave kan kalna te kha kan vlog le don ya o kan outfit te po kan ron te langa nga nakina kan imhule don ya o Inkhawm ba na ole tuna biakin kan lu ma in kan fit check kan ron te langa kang o ole tuna biakin kan valu tanga chuan cave pu ka kanin hule don ya o bye ole tuna Inkhawm na changin kan kal tua kan thleng chep to mo kan cave kal na tu kha let me see okay here kan thleng chep to mun kan achu kan lu hun vela kan ron tilak le don ya oi ole tuna kan check in to don ni hi ole tuna kan kalma in restroom ti kan vam hang photang ka phei khok po ka tha ka mo ni chin khan phei khok sang ka buna tuna apu ka bun le pok restroom hi kita an gift shop chung hi tiang vel hi nia mo cute rau lu tu khela ya an phat vel hi yang very insat man nge yin chinang o he hi he no hi in mu the hi som thum man mo yang very chu chinang som ruk panga som sari man vel ni chu text nen mo yang hi nia curtain zuara ata keychain yang vel te pu hin zuar mo nakina lâu lăng hạc buồn tia cần lăng hạc mê cái này ấn thèn rồi tia hi cute rệu tóc mà sẽ tấu cái tia tục cái tan cho mà đợi này anh native em mà ăn đồ thế mà native te Indian native te door ani ka ring alantana chuan mo an traditional pan sang te khom mo he da khoi lo tur khan tia cái gì đâu à cái tiếng hi nghe cái đâu chẳng về thì này cái nào cần lụ để hun cần pha cả ngõ cái tiếng rong khá càng lộc phần đòn nè cái nào cần im hùn đáng ole tu na cần chuộc chép tuần tia tu na po na cần oma hey hey bị sâu trong cái gần tí cái đâu ui yang vàng này đúng không? Hello, look at me. Pose. Yep. Ole tu na kan kal to ha he, kan tour guide khan ya mo he. Alung eng ma ka kan khoi thei lawa chan chu alung hi a sing an tia mo kan khoi chuan a thi don te ni chu.
Right. How many do we have?
Two.
Welcome, guys. I love your jackets. Thank you. Off to the right. How many hips are here? Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, do not swung akan luto ni. Mi po kan tampe.
Hey, come on, keep up, bro. Working hard.
Come on down. And you can look for a fire spot along the way.
Ore tu na kan culture chira. Kuya ngay min kat puidon ka sila. Oh, avan. Wow. Itiang vel niya kavoy khat kalna niya mo cave chu ni. Moi kati amak pokati Pathian Thilsiam. Pathian Thilsiam. Wow. Wow.
Welcome to the Indian ballroom. Come all the way in. The people behind you will have space. If you come all the way this way, we'll stand in this area. We're going to go exploring in this canyon. We don't want to go too far into the room. We're going to stay right about here. Just come all the way in. Do you like it? It's pretty cool, huh?
Kita kin kat luto ni chu.
This is his first time in a cabin.
Ataka moy, ataka mak. Di ba yang? Alian. Kita kin kan luto ni.
Very nice. I'm glad. I hope you had fun today. We're going to be lots of
Uy. I need to be the first one. Take video, right?
Children, families with children, I'm going to ask you to go to the right. I'm sorry, yeah, left. Adults to the right, kids to the left. Adults to the right.
Adults to the right.
To the left. Adults to the right. Kids to the left. Adults to the right, kids to the left. You have kids to stick them on left. Okay? Adults to the right over here. Kids to the left. Pass me, pass me.
Nấu bằng te về lama. Wait linh te. Ding lama.
Keep going, all the way in.
Come on.
That's different room.
Come here.
This room, blue room. This room is included because it has blue limestone right here. Blue limestone. In this room,
And you to decide if she's right. Jump right down his head.
Ore tu nang hunda akan kali doon ni. Ding lama.
all the way to the right. Keep going, keep going, keep going, all the way to the right.
Back to the right. Iya.
This looks mean, Steve.
I want to pull.
Watch my flashlight. I'll show you the original entrance to this canyon. Right there. See that? That's the original entrance.
Ni da nga lu nam hun mo. Jadi atak ta kan lu nam hun ka ni china. Ni chan ni tok lo mo.
Excavations, there's some low-hanging.
You were on a safari in Africa and you see this big guy come up next to you with a funny tail and he's got a big head and a elephant, yes.
Okay, you look at this point, and on the point there is that. Yes, it's an eagle on point. All right, just something to help you sleep at night. Right over here, keep looking left.
Captain Jack Sparrow.
Oh my God.
Captain Jack Sparrow.
That'll definitely.
Let's
rambuay ni ay nang sila Miki. Kita kan doon. Tuna ko yang ngayon yung kasi lang.
Okay, so step this way. We have an L-shaped room to come on down. Come all the way in. So the people behind you have space. There's a little space right in here. Give me some time to step in here. We'll all fit the room together. Go back down the way.
Tiếng lùng ba rí là xin mình tìm chút khởi lộ rồi cắn khởi chua là thầy là thiết thầy oleh tu nak yan ini na yakin na ang hindi mo ni ini du titan mo ini du titan ang sana tu.
All the way in. Now this wedding chapel, guys, now once we're all in, I'll tell you about it. But I just want to let you know as you get all the way in, it is wet today when it is dry and glitters from the floor.
Cái thùng thì cái sao cái tiếng cái khởi ăn thân lâu mò cần khởi chuan cái thì thiệt kia nhà sẽ có khởi chạc một tụi đó là in đấy nó mò mì thế khởi sa tắm ta in này thiệt nó mò hay mình chua mà hiền cái nào cần đồ mà chơi hết
Want to switch in?
lắm tôi là chuan chua lắm cần cần tộc tôi mình
I'm gonna have to head out because I don't want to cut the short short, but I have to take another tour at the end of this. So we need to do 45 minutes. I need to be out for the next tour. Yep. All right, you guys ready? Go out, stand in ballroom, watch your head. Yep, on the way out, please leave.
có đấy tôi là cần chụp tổ đón hình nhỉ tất cả mỗi đấy rồi cái xem video ở hiện mỗi tất các nơi cắn mi tất cắn hụt nó mỗi gì hi mỗi video hiện là làm thầy lâu sim sim mà hay lại tuổi của hi mỗi xin ô dạ mỗi gì hi chứ mà các chế nó chả cũng ok tu na apon kan pachua ka nga nakina pona kanin hule don nia o katiang zong kha ni mai ka soi tong khan camera na moi tak tak na la thei tak lo shem ui be careful oi watch out katiang vel ni hi o kan chua ka nga pona kanin hule don nia chuộc của bốn mình đầu chuộc của nhà mồ hình mình đóng ăn được môi về thấu nữa cảnh nó chốt đó nó nghĩ là đấu trò ruồn kìa Wah, cuma kan kal doon. At cuma kan kala kan ho to ni mo katya. You think we're going home now?
Yeah, I think so.
I guess this is the way back, huh?
We're gonna move all the way down to the end of the platform up here. As you move down to the end of the platform, we'll all stand up here. But you can look off to your right and see Mirror Lake. Mirror Lake is one of the only places in the cavern where your photo will hit every single rock formation and sunset. So this is the best place to do a shot. Maybe you'll put your family in. Behind you, if you get the lake behind you, you'll have stalactites, columns, close to all of it is a photo. So I recommend there's two great places to get a photo. Right here is one, and right over here. Once you have your photo, step out of that area so the next person can use that area, and then grab
The 6 tells me.
head on into the oh, tell you the story of the hermit. Put your camera on. Come on down. All the way in, guys. We have people waiting on the stairs. Please keep moving forward.
I want to take your picture.
Once you got your photo, please move forward, guys. At the top of the stairs, past the people that are waiting there because there's a better spot for a photo right over here. Keep moving. Those of you at the top of the stairs, that is not the best spot. Keep moving over here. There's a better spot from right here. We can all fit up here. We can all take your photos. We don't have to wait for one spot. Keep moving, guys. On the top of the stairs.
Uli, doon na, kanlo na lang kan keng to. Ngay. Ano ma? Sing Pathian sing song nga bil kan sing mo. Ticket kan lay naman. Ano ya? Môi mua nuông cho hết tiếng ngọc có ngay đầu xíu xíu mà với khát cầu người ta cho được ngõ mà với nhị với thung cờ cơ chu ngay đâu khát tiếng em mà thời gian tới xe đâu khát tiếng khai nhá mà đủ đã cần gạch thôi cần hoa đây có toàn với cần chuột đồ là nị chứ có She have another guy too. Ito na gansuwa ko ba? At usoy pakat kataygin law su shem. Henge ka. Claritum cave. Tim de way yon chuan. Iron cho ako na. I-blind doon ang tinidyo. Blind hi Mizo doon. Imita del doon. Ang tinidyo mo. Should go home. Katiang Wilkania. Do you have anything to say? No. No? Okay. You like it, right? Yeah. Okay. So, ko Tim Tunga, Karu Tung Kanom Tuan, kan mit the deal doon. Tingnan niyo. Yang Wilkania mo. Ano? Step up umahe. Tuan, kan photo doon kan video din mo sa sila. Like this. Comment, subscribe to me local social. Galaw mo. Diba? Yun yung channel mo. Isan dito. Bye-bye ulit.